Hey guys, so the Halloween is coming and you might be wondering what will you prepare for the party or for your family. So I'm gonna show you a real quick recipe for apple pie. Size, then a puff pastry that you can buy in your local shop, and then sugar and salt, and also this cinnamon sugar that you can buy, but you can also make it at home. So before you start preparing the ingredients, you wanna preheat the oven to 185 degrees Celsius. So first of all, you wanna clean the apples and give them a proper wash, and then slice them to even slices. So now, after washing the apples, I can start cutting them. Okay, so the apples are ready, as you can see, and now we want to start placing them all over the puff pastry. It really doesn't matter how much you've got, but the more you've got, the better it will taste. And once I've got all the apples on the puff pastry, I'll add the cinnamon sugar and take it to oven. Okay, so the apples are on the puff pastry, and now I'll take the cinnamon sugar and just yeah, that's it. You can probably add some more because kids love sweet things. So I'll use 2 small pouches, that's about 40 grams for the whole pie. And the oven is ready, so yeah, I'm finished probably. So I'll take it to the oven and wait about 15 to 20 minutes maybe, and in between I'll prepare the caramel. Hey guys, so the pie is ready. Take a look. Looks fantastic. Yeah. And now for the caramel, you wanna take 3 spoons of sugar. And then 3 spoons of water and boil it for a few minutes just to melt the sugar. I've also forgot about butter, so now it's almost ready, and then I will pour it onto the pie. As you can see, the pie is totally ready for your party or family meeting. Looks beautiful.